It's that time of year again where I mix my own laundry soap. I do this about once every 6 months, and today I'm making a double batch than normal, so hopefully it'll be a while before I have to do this again. With the 4 kids and my husband and I do quite a bit of laundry already. I think I'm already up to like doing 10 loads a week, 10 or 11 loads a week, depending on, the week and the kids. So I've been doing this for a while, and I found this giant bag of Foca on clearance at Walmart for $6. So I picked it up, knowing I'd be making a double batch next time. And the hardest part is mixing it. So I'm going to do half and then kind of layer it and see how it goes as far as the mixing cycle. It's really easy though. I use Foca. I use the Arm & Hammer baking soda superpower wash. I use the OxiClean stain remover powder, and then the scent beads, which the scent beads are optional. I don't have to do that. I just kind of like the extra jazz that it gives. I cannot even tell you how many loads this is going to make. Normally, since this is a double batch, I fill it with a small container in my laundry room, and it takes probably about 40 to 50 loads to go through that container. And then the last batch that I made, I filled that up 4 times before I needed to redo it. So we're talking 200 loads-ish. And it's a significant cost saver. Like I already said, I found the Foca, the big bag, on clearance at Walmart for $6. Even if I buy it without being clearance, it's still a price saver, but I just took advantage of it since we had it there. The Super Wash Soda was $5.38 a box, and I bought 2 of them, so it's about $11 on that part of it. I got the big box of the OxiClean Versatile this time, and it was almost $12. And then the scent beads I grabbed at Aldi, they were right around $11. And I already had the bucket from the previous time I did this, so all in all, I'm spending about $40 on this ginormous bucket. It smells good, it cleans my laundry good, and it's just a huge money saver for us. Plus, I'm a huge fan of doing stuff in bulk, so yeah.